This is Jenny, and she is a small business owner with a problem. Jenny's problem is that she does not know her and her consumers' rights under the Consumers Guarantee Act of 1993. This frustrates her at work because she isn't able to advise herself and her employees on the guarantee's rights and policies. Luckily, she stumbled upon this presentation. This video presentation will solve all those problems for Jenny, so if you are in a similar situation as Jenny, I advise you to keep watching. This video is divided into 3 parts. Part A, who the CGA applies to. Part B, guarantees and rights of consumers. And Part C, CGA for business practices.
So who does the CGA apply to? The Act applies to all businesses and suppliers, including second-hand organisations, online auctions or even gifts, but excludes one-off transactions like garage sales and goods or services bought for commercial use like heavy machinery. The Act is in place to protect the rights of consumers. Section 2 of the Act states that a consumer is a person who acquires goods or services ordinarily purchased for personal, domestic or household use. However, the Act does not apply if they buy then sell the good or service in trade, use the good or service to make something out of it with the intent to sell, or use the goods to repair other goods or fixtures on land in their own line of work.
CGA protects consumers by allowing you to seek repairs, replacements, or refunds when goods are faulty and setting a minimum guarantee for all products and services. For product guarantees, this means when products don't work, break too easily, and don't do what you expect them to do. For service guarantees, this is when a business supplies you with a consumer service, for example, household plumbing, haircuts, or fixing your car. Services include any rights, benefits, or facilities and provided by a supplier even if they do so free of charge or don't have contract with the supplier. Allowing them to seek repairs, replacements or refunds when goods are faulty, but the products must meet the guarantees of an acceptable quality, fit for a particular purpose, match description, sample or demonstration model, and be a reasonable price. They must also have the rights to sell the products arrive on time and in good condition, and spare parts and repair facilities are available.
Business-to-business transactions can be contracted out of. The conditions for this are terms of the contract have to be reasonable and fair, both parties must be in trade, and the contract must be in writing. Business-to-consumer transactions may not be contracted out of. It is a breach of the FTA if it is attempted. Penalties of an individual may be a fine up to $200,000 and a company a fine of up to $600,000.
If a product does not meet any of the guarantees, a customer is entitled to either a repair, a replacement, or a refund. A customer can also file a complaint with the disputes tribunal or the district court if you violate these laws or if you and your customer can't agree on a complaint. For more information on the CGA, visit the following sites.